I'm Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the fourth question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. Number 4 reads, triangles ABC and DEF are congruent where A corresponds to D, B and E are right angles. Whenever there's something to draw, I recommend you draw it. So we're going to draw 2 right triangles, and we've got A, B, C. We've got D, E, F, and it tells you that B and E are right angles. Okay, also, this word congruent, it means the side lengths are equal and also the angle measures, the corresponding angle measure the same. So when it says angle A is 18 degrees, then you know that angle D is also 18 degrees. So when it asks for the measure of angle F, just keep in mind, every triangle needs 180 degrees. So it's going to be 18 plus 90 plus F equals 180. And here's a little something something. You could plug this right into Desmos, only instead of using the equals, use the tilde. So I've got 18 plus 90 plus F equals 180. Let me run right over here. And Desmos. 18 plus 90 plus F tilde, shift, upper left of your keyboard, below the escape and above the tab, 180, and you get your answer. It tells you that F is 72. So answer choice B is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with triangles, trigonometry, doesn't know there's 180 degrees in a triangle, doesn't know that congruent triangles have the same angle, corresponding angle measures, and also have the same side lengths. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video. If you go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, go to the playlist, find Test 3, Module 1. The shorter video is just below these longer videos. And have a great day.